Hello again. My name is Jeffrey Davis. I'm host of Radio Entrepreneurs, also chairman of the board of Mage LLC, a management consulting firm. And glad to be here. Glad that it's 2017. We had a great 2016 on Radio Entrepreneurs, and more stories of entrepreneurship to come. This whole segment has been sponsored by the accounting firm of Gray & Gray in Canton, Mass. with their wonderful offices, and my co-host has been Rich Hershen, partner at the firm.
Good to be here.
Great. Always fun, Rich.
It is.
And another firm that personally, professionally, and on Radio Entrepreneurs we're very familiar with is the law firm of Roberto, Israel, and Weiner. We've had relationships with the firm for many years and know a lot of the partners. This partner, been on the show before, Stacey Friends, and we're going to talk trademarks, copywriting, correct?
Yes.
Welcome back.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
It's great that we don't have to talk tax right now.
Oh, thank God.
We've had a lot of tax and
A lot
accounting
of
today,
tax
and
and
it's nice to mix
accounting.
it up with the legal profession.
This is a little lighter.
Yeah.
A little lighter and a little less political, I think.
So what's going on in Stacey world?
Well, Stacey World is very, very busy, busy trademark and copyright practice. I thought today, thinking about what might be of most interest to entrepreneurs, I have been getting a lot of new businesses or even ongoing businesses opening different divisions and things and wondering about branding and trademark and what's the difference and what do they need to do to have a good trademark
Right.
or to protect the trademark. Been doing tons of that work lately. Usually do, but it seems like lately, late 2016,
You know what? A lot of my
2017.
friends, not friends, clients, we talk strategy branding.
Right.
And I say to them, you need to look at copyright and protection. And they go, on a brand? And I go,
Yeah.
absolutely. Now? I go, absolutely.
Right.
Correct?
Correct, because if it's a logo in particular, you may have both copyright and trademark rights
Right.
in the logo. Typically, for branding, where it's the name of the company, the name of the product, that's just trademark. But it depends. And if there's enough creative expression, then that also could fall under copyright.
Right.
If it encompasses a tagline or something that is going to be a slogan for the brand or the company, then that's a trademark. So I really have to look at what people have to determine which part of the law is going to apply, or if both might apply, and then what we need to do from there.
So you're working with mostly startup companies or mature companies?
No, yeah, it's a real mixture. I mean, the mature companies aren't stagnant, of course. They're constantly coming up with new services or products and new brands and new taglines, or they might do, I had a very large client a few years ago do a complete redesign. So that meant a new logo. There was a punctuation in their mark, which was removed. And required new applications, and they are a worldwide company, so it was a huge project.
So are you helping companies, they would contact you to see, one, do they even need to copyright something or trademark something, and you'll help them with that assessment, and then if they do need to get a trademark copyright, then you can help with all the filings and
Right.
everything that goes along with that.
Yeah, for trademark, step one is the search. We really need to do a proper search and make sure it's clear, because it's happened literally in the last month, where somebody came to me with a mark and it wasn't clear. And they had decided on it and invested in branding, and it wasn't clear. That's a disaster. I mean, it's not a disaster, but it's money down the toilet, frankly. So that doesn't make any sense. So the earlier people can contact me, the better. I can, for the small amount that the search will cost, I could save them. In this case, it was not a tremendous budget, but they had sunk $15,000 to the brand already.
It's also all relative to the company, right? I mean,
Right.
$15,000 is $15,000
Yeah.
to a company that is just starting up, perhaps. That can be a lot of money.
Right. So especially where the business people, not that they might be new to it, but they just might not be thinking about legal issues, or they don't have, in-house counsel that can say, hey, flag these issues for them. It's really important that they reach out early, and then that way I can, hopefully save them some money, and then we can go from there with a good, strong mark and the registration and so on.